2019 Chevy Tahoe LT Preferred. Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this beautiful Tahoe. It's black on black, has a preferred package, local trade, clear Carfax, 57,000 miles, independently inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. You can upgrade it really reasonably. Black on black, black heated leather up front, power seats up front, navigation, remote start, heated seats. Has the forward collision. It's got the seats that vibrate at you when you get a little too close to stuff. The tires are deep. It has the tow package. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Just a nice clean local trade. Again, black on black. You have 3 rows, power rear gate. Back to those 3 rows. So you got seating 2, 3, and 2. So you can take 7 along. Again, the tires are probably 80%. Just a really nice clean Tahoe. Under warranty. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. See it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com.